I am so excited to be filming this video about the Antigravity A1 right now. Meet the Antigravity A1, the 8K 360-degree drone. Hey everyone, today we're going to be diving into one of the most exciting announcements in aerial videography. So what sets the A1 apart? Instead of mounting a bulky 360 camera on the standard drone, Antigravity designed the entire aircraft around a dual-lens 360-degree camera with fisheye lenses on the top and bottom, and the A1 records everything around you at up to 8K 60 FPS. All of this while cleverly stitching the footage in real time. The result? A smooth, immersive footage where the drone itself disappears from the shot. So why should you care? In traditional drones, you need to aim the camera precisely, plan your shots, and sometimes attach heavy gimbals. With the A1, you just fly and enjoy the view. The dual-sense cameras ensures that you capture everything, reframe your shots later, and it opens up aerial storytelling to anybody, from the vlogger to the documentary filmmaker, while still satisfying the tech enthusiasts with cutting-edge features. This compact drone weighs under 249 grams, so in many countries, you won't need the special registration. Despite its lightweight frame, it delivers immersive, impressive performance. A flight time of up to 29 minutes, a transmission range of about 7 kilometers, and it has a built-in obstacle avoidance sensors. Antigravity didn't just rethink the camera, they reimagined how you fly the drone. The A1 uses a motion-sensing grip controller and lets you fly by pointing the direction you want to fly rather than using those stick controllers. This gives beginners an intuitive way to pilot the drone while still offering advanced capabilities for creators. The immersive goggles provide a 360-degree view, so whenever you turn your head, you see the live footage, making it feel like you're in the cockpit. That's just a quick look at the Antigravity A1. If you're excited about immersive 360-degree aerial video or just curious about how drones are evolving, this is definitely one to watch. Let me know in the comments what you would shoot with the 8K 360-degree drone. Be sure to subscribe for more tech deep dives, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.